Hello, Tigers, and welcome to Week 32, Activity 1. For today's lesson, you will indeed need your Foundations notebook, your writing tool, growth mindset, and when you write, you're going to sit in the writing position. Today's activity for our new high-frequency words is going to be different than ever before. This word is not part of your foundations. This is your example. Do not add this word. I'm seeing if you're paying attention. So this is what you're going to do for this week, for all of your 10 words, not this one. You are going to ask the two questions. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Then you are going to follow these steps. You're going to see the word, ask the questions while you're looking at the word, draw your syllable lines, and write each chunk on the line, and then read the word, and go on to the next word. So with my word, I'm going to do that here. I'm looking at the word. I ask myself, how many vowels do I see? In this word, I see 2 vowels and then I ask myself, are they together or apart? I know that if I see 2 vowels and they're apart, I should have 2 syllables. So I'm going to write my syllable lines. Did you hear me? I'm going to write my syllable lines. Then I'm going to write each chunk on the lines. And this writing is going to be in your notebook. So I don't want the word, I want the chunks of the word. All right? And then on this word, I'm going to chunk it like this. Of course, your writing will be neater than mine because I'm writing with my mouse. So then in my book, I'm going to say tiger, tiger. And you're going to record that after you go on to the next word and do the next word. So right now in this video, it will pause while you do each word. When you are done with this Edpuzzle, you will ask some questions. I might even ask questions along the way. Here is your example. Good luck. I'll see you at the end. Go ahead and do the steps. Look at the word. Ask the questions. Identify where the vowels are. Remember, vowels that are together stay together. So how many lines are you writing in your notebook right now? You should be writing 2 lines in your notebook right now. I'll give you a clue on this one. This is the only sound on this line. The rest of the word is on this line. You guessed it. So this is what you should be writing in your notebook. I did say I wasn't going to do it with you, right? But you should be right now writing it with me. That was a tricky one, so I did it with you. The rest of them, I'm going to watch as you do them. Here's the next word. Look at the word. Ask the questions. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Don't forget that vowel, that consonant that's acting as a vowel on the end of that word. I'm giving you hints, aren't I? In your notebook right now, you are writing the number of syllables in this word before you write the word. And then you're going to write the syllable on each line. You got it? Continue when you're ready. Remember, some words are not multisyllable, they just have 1 syllable. Some of you also know that usually when we have a 1-syllable word with 1 vowel, it's short. Usually. We might change that when it flexes, right? Continue when you're ready. Keep going through them, even on heart words. You might need to flex this. This word is not aw. Flex this sound right here to the O sound. You should have written one line, one syllable. Seeing if you're listening to me when I said to flex that sound from ah to O. Be careful. Be careful. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Vowels that are together tend to stay together. Should be writing on your lines. I'm sorry, in your notebook. Ask the question. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? You may notice I underlined OW because I know that's a vowel chunk. This says O or ow, right? So I'm going to keep those together because I know that. Good job if you wrote 3. Now chunk it and then read the word before you go on. There was a shark in the shop. You don't have to circle that digraph. I'm just doing it so you remember. I see 2 vowels. What's the second question? Are they together or apart? Remember to keep that vowel chunk together, A-Y-A, at the end of a word. I'm just drawing these lines to remind you should draw your lines in your notebook. First, on the line. And that is all for today. So in your Foundations notebook, you should have 10 words. They should not look like these words on the screen. They should be broken down in syllables. If they're just one syllable, some of these words are just one syllable. They should only have one line. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's foundational activity. Thank you for practicing programming that brain to notice multisyllable decoding. Toodaloo, Tigers, you do know what to do. Head over to Reading Progress after you record this